What's up, everyone? We know moving or shipping boxes can be stressful, but having the right tools makes it so much easier, and this heavy-duty packaging tape is a great option. So this stuff is really nice. It works really well. It's super strong, and it comes in 60 yards per roll. So I got the 12-pack here. So this stuff's gonna last me quite a while, but it's always nice to have on hand. That way when you need it, it's there for you. So let me show you. This stuff is great quality. You can see the transparency of that tape. As you could see, cutting that was really nice. There's no fray on that. But if you try and rip it, you can't rip it with your hand. So this stuff is really strong and durable. Let me get a box and show you how it works. So you can see this packaging tape does a great job at holding the box together. It sticks really well to the box. It's really transparent. And it does rip easy with this blade on here, which is really nice. It does give a clean cut. So I put 20 pounds of weight in this box. Let's see how it holds up. So 20 pounds in here in this box. This tape is holding extremely well. The weight shifting around in there. And it's doing a great job at holding it. Super strong. Oh yeah. This tape is heavy duty, super strong, and is gonna work great for whatever your needs are. So if you're looking for some high quality packaging tape, I highly recommend this stuff right here. Thanks for watching.